I think we're good.
How did it feel?
That was awesome! Short Circuit MIG has officially left the building, and this is something completely different. That was a lot of fun. Alright, go ahead, deslagify this. Well, for having never done this before, it looks like it's sagging a little bit. Carrying over my stick welding experience, that would tell me I should move faster across the center, I think.
Yeah, go faster across the center.
Faster across the center.
Stay about a second, second and a half on in each corner, and just go fast over the center.
Alright. Oh shoot, I'll try it again. Ready?
Yep.
This is pretty awesome, YouTube. That is very, very hot welding. This is probably not something you'll use to put together 1/8" sheet metal. Alright. Well, look at that. We're starting to get somewhere.
Yep. You are.
A little bit different looking.
Let me put one more pass in it.
Sure. Whenever you're ready.
Ready.
.something volts. And about 150 amps. How was that?
That was awesome. Nice and tight.
That is a huge weld.
Here, watch this.
Oh man.
All
look at
comes
that.
off in one piece. There you go.
That's a souvenir. We can put it on eBay.
You should really wait till it's like not glowing anymore to chip it to get the full benefit of the flux core wire.
Okay. Wow, that is a big weld.
Now, your interpass temperature on this is supposed to be not any higher than 800 degrees. As long as it's still glowing, it's too hot.
Okay.
All right, after letting it cool a little bit by itself, nobody touched it so far. You can see the slag peeling off all by itself.
Oh man, look at that.
Nice ropey beat.
Woo! That is a ginormous weld, YouTube.
This is nothing yet.
Jeez.
This on 4-inch material, that's a ginormous weld. we do 5/8 every day. 5/8 does not make our heart beat faster.
Oh man. So you have like a welding shop, or?
I have a welding shop in Milwaukee. We do a lot of welding for the recycling industry, big balers, shears, compactors, excavators, and anything like 1/2 inch and up, crane booms. Those are the things that we weld. 3 service trucks, engine drive welders, and
Alright. If anyone needs some welding done in the Milwaukee area,
call us.
alright. You want me to put some information in the description or link to anything?
Sure. Put a link to my website in it.
Okay, cool.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the weld. This is the end of the weld. We cut the upper half off with a cutoff wheel. Then we cut a strip about 3/8 thick I know this is not exactly up to AWS D1.1 welding certification specs. The plate thickness is wrong, the groove angle is wrong, the plate width is wrong, but nevertheless it gives you a nice demonstration of the wire, and it's really similar to what would have to be done for a state certification.
Yep.
We cut this piece out of here, cleaned it up, removed the backing strip. Now we have to flatten the front weld out, and then we'll bend test it.
All right. So yeah, the good old vise is getting some use, and you know, like you said, this might not be exactly up to code qualifications, but to be fair, we're really just messing around with some of this dual shield wire, making a general, you know, basic information video about it, and we're gonna bend test it anyway, because why not? So we got our handy dandy Harbor Freight bender, and we are bending this fine specimen. Oh boy.
And we almost bent it where the weld was.
Yeah, shoot. Well, we can slice out another one.
Wow. This is where the left side of the weld was. And here, this is what I meant with allowable impurities. There's 2 little pinholes, but no crack originated out of it bending. No cracks on the backside. So most likely we would have passed the certification test.
Alright, cool. Alright, so Pete had to head back. The guy worked an entire day before his trip out here, drove through the night to get here, and then proceeded to shoot videos with me for almost an entire day because sleep's apparently optional for him. I don't know, but anyway, I've gone ahead and sliced out a couple more of these side bend tests. And for anyone that's never done a side bend, basically, you know, it's a form of destructive testing, obviously, commonly used on thicker steels. I believe this is a 1-inch block I stick welded. And, you know, you can't really bend something that's 1 inch thick that easily. So what they do is they slice out normally a 3/8 inch coupon, 3/8 inch thick, and then you bend it over itself, and it pops out the weld and whatever little defects may be on it. And so that's basically what we're trying to do here. Now the one that y'all just saw us bend sort of came out a little bit like a candy cane. There's something of a trick to getting these lined up in here just right, and I don't really know what that trick is because I pretty much never do this by myself. Okay, I can see where the root is. I obviously didn't really sand down the sides that, you know, we're not going to be bend testing. So there's the root, and I'm going to put this on top and try to aim for the center of that doohickey there. Alright, I hope this works. I'm going to slide out this handle. Oh no, someone left the tripod here. Oh shit. Alright. Okay, I'll get a better view this way anyway. Okay, that one looks relatively U-shaped. Whee-wee! We hit most of the weld. Alright, I'm going to try the other one. Pulling it through. Nope, I was afraid of that. Well, I hit most of the weld. I think I'm going to practice with that bender a little bit more. But as you can see, there's the root. Yeah, look at it this way. It looks a little bit better. And here's the face. You can see where they were because I obviously didn't completely grind them flush. And this is the part that I did grind flush. And when you look at it, all you see is the grinder marks. There's nothing popping through. There's no cracks, defects, and trapped slag. Nothing along those lines. It's just pure weld metal. So, you know, I guess we can call this test a success. And, you know, like we said, this isn't exactly up to AWS standard, so to speak. Basically, Pete and I were talking one day, and I was like, yeah, I've never run any of that dual shield stuff. And he's like, really? It's awesome. I'll bring some down with me. And so he did, and we're like, well, you know, we obviously had to come up with some kind of video to make about it. And we just decided to put together a redneck bend test from some scrap metal, you know, just laying around here. And that's what we came up with. So anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. As always, YouTube, thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more. A big thank you to Pete, aka Schlee Tiger. I think I'm getting better at that. Schlee Tiger 77. And if you guys want to watch the making of this video, then there's a video of that on his channel. I'll put a link to it in the description. As always, YouTube, thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe for more. Have a nice day, everybody. Yeehaw.